Do you often wish you were a part of a different family? Unfortunately, not many families are as blissful as those portrayed in movies. A family home can sometimes be filled with tension and hostility rather than warmth and love. Although every family has challenges, those problems can be solved in a healthy household. However, if there is a dysfunctional family dynamic, each new day offers a new set of challenges. Before we continue, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified instantly. Here are 5 signs of a dysfunctional family dynamic. Number 1. Fear. Discipline is essential, and parents may need to raise their voices from time to time, especially if their child is being very problematic. When children make mistakes, they must face repercussions. If a youngster breaks a vase, they must clean up the mess. If they receive a poor grade, they must study more diligently. I'm sure some of you agree that these are not examples of bad things, yet parents sometimes act as though every small mistake is catastrophic. They may yell and scream at their children, take their belongings away from them, restrict them from visiting their friends, or even physically punish them. When this happens, children learn to fear their parents for minor reasons like spilled water at the dinner table. Sometimes they even flee from home for fear of their parents' reaction. Number 2. Codependency. A codependent parent has an unhealthy obsession with their kid or children, to the point that their attachment causes them to exert undue control over their children's lives. These type of parents are too active in their child's life, far more than is necessary for healthy parenting. They overprotect their children even if it means doing things they should not do in order to allow their children to develop, such as cleaning their rooms even though they are already teens. They regard their children to be their sole companions and rarely interact with others. Furthermore, they may also use guilt tripping and gaslighting to influence their children into doing what they want. Number 3. Neglect. Neglect is another common indicator that a family dynamic is dysfunctional. It is also a kind of abuse, though it varies from other forms such as physical abuse. Parents from dysfunctional families frequently fail to provide enough care for their children. They don't maintain track of their children's hygiene, such as cleaning their clothes, forcing them to take showers, or ensuring their hair is clean and groomed. They don't help their children with their homework and often have no idea what their children are doing in school. It can sometimes get so bad that they don't even notice if their children eat. Number 4. Silence. Communication is not something that happens frequently in dysfunctional families. Those members don't talk to each other, they don't seek each other for guidance, they don't tell each other about their days or what they are looking forward to. Furthermore, silent treatment is something that can happen. It is a way for them to deal with conflict, but it can also be used as a kind of punishment. This is especially dangerous if parents use silent treatment as a form of child discipline. And if someone attempts to break the silence with honesty and openness, other members may respond by ridiculing them for expressing their feelings, extending the silence. Number 5. Isolation. Dysfunctional families prefer to isolate themselves and avoid allowing anyone into their life. Other family members, friends, or neighbors, they keep their distance in order to conceal the secret of an unstable family dynamic within their own house. Parents may teach their children that other people are bad and that they should avoid them, or they may make up reasons why no one ever visits them. This makes it difficult for them to accept assistance because their difficulties are not visible to others, and the barrier they create between themselves and others makes them far less inclined to look for help or guidance. And that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications if you want to watch more videos like this.